Today's video, let's fix the Pinterest sound problem. So first thing first, this happens if your application has some corrupted files. Before that, make sure that your Pinterest application is updated. So head over to your Play Store and search for Pinterest. If it shows open, that means your application is already updated. But if you see update, tap on update and update your app. Now for the next step, head over to your settings, scroll all the way below and select apps. Here also you have to search for Pinterest. So tap on the search bar icon, type in Pinterest, and then search. If you see your application, open it. Select storage and clear the cache. Now, if you remember your credentials like your Pinterest username, email, or password, I also recommend you to clear the data. Tap delete, come back onto App Info page, and then tap Force Stop. Tap OK. Now restart your device, launch your Pinterest, and this shall fix your problem. If it's still not working, then long tap onto Pinterest, uninstall, reinstall again, and it will work.